Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a wonderful drink that will help you to burn fat and also to nourish your skin so your skin can glow. To make this drink, I'll be making use of carrot that I've already peeled. Carrots contain beta-carotene fiber which will help to brighten your skin and also for weight loss. I have orange that I've already peeled. I'm making use of ginger, and here I have turmeric which I've already peeled. So you can decide to juice this, or you can use a blender and blend until smooth. So I'm going to use a juicer to extract all the juice. I will extract to get all the juice from the fruits and vegetables. Adding turmeric to this drink, because turmeric is a powerful fat burning spice. It will help you to lose weight. Turmeric will also help to lighten any dark spots or pigmentation and also prevent dry skin. It will also help to improve your skin texture and color. Carrot is also important for this drink because carrots contain beta-carotene, vitamin C. It also has fiber which will help you to lose weight. It is good for skin and eye issue. So you need carrots in this drink. So good. It will help you to lose weight, and also it's an excellent drink that will help to nourish your skin and also improve your skin complexion. I hope that this video is helpful. Thank you all for watching.